What's up, it's Realistic Videos, and this is my Darth Vader costume review. There's a cool Vader pic right there. Him grabbing right there. Star Wars. Includes dress, belt, headpiece, and knee socks. And you can see here the lightsaber is sold separately, and that sucks because it would have been an awesome accessory for this. And this is made by Rubies, and they are available from extra small to large, and I got the extra small. Okay, so this is going to be a mostly picture and video review, and this is just a real quick look at the actual costume itself. This is the dress part, and it's actually really well made. It's just like a slinky fitting dress. It's kind of a stretchy dress here. And you can see the designs here, pretty nice. And it's got a zipper right in the back that kind of forms like a little bit of a collar. And this right here is the bottom skirt. And the only thing I'm not sure about is if I hate or love this, because I think that it's cute that it poofs out like that. And it's actually got that, I'm not exactly sure what it's called, right under here, like the frilly aspect. And it has that underneath, and it does poof you out a little bit. So if you don't want to be poofy, you wouldn't like this. It's not huge, but it is definitely a little bit of a poof. And the socks that they show are really nice. They're like trouser socks, and they're actually really silky. They're not like thick or anything. So I absolutely love these. And here's the little beanie that it comes with, and I think it's a little ridiculous. It's cute, but it's also just like not my style, so I actually like the helmet better with it, and the helmet is from another costume, just so you know that. But it's really warm, and seems like it's really well made, so this is definitely something cool that if you needed it in the winter, you could definitely rock this. It's kind of cute, and it has these little flaps down here that I think you just let them go loose, or you could tie if you want to. Okay, so this mask isn't the one that comes with it. This actually comes with a different Darth Vader costume that I'm going to review later. And it's really hard to see out of. It's like you have glasses on that have a really strong prescription, but it's doable, but I wouldn't be able to wear this all day at a convention. Alright, so here's some pictures of me wearing the costume, and this is the beanie version. Here's another beanie picture, and for some reason I think I kind of look like a pilot in this picture. Here's the back of the beanie. And this is just a picture of the details on the front of the costume. This is the belt, and the only issue I have with the belt is that it has Velcro closures, but they're way on the ends. So this is an extra small, so it was too big on me. So you can get a safety pin, or you can just get those Velcro little cutouts that they have at like Walgreens and Walmart and all that, if you want to take it in a little bit. And here you can see how poofy the dress is on the bottom. And here's another shot with the helmet. And also you can see the helmet from the side, that it doesn't fully cover the head. And from the back as well. And you can see the extreme poofiness going on in that picture. But it's really comfortable, and I really like wearing it. And here's a little 360 for you. And you can see how much it really poofs me out.